wallet.
Anybody else want to play? Anybody?
Hey, they need some more people.
Hold on. We're ready.
Paul,
Let's do it.
they need another person.
He's worried about his reservation.
Oh,
I think we're getting ready to sit down, but I'm still
she said 5 minutes. That usually means 10 or 15 in a hotel and restaurant.
Mike and I'll stand y'all. Just count everything now. We don't have time.
Everything counts.
Sorry, we didn't know you were.
How many do you?
Somebody leave. And he was like, yeah, I could have sold them for about $75 on eBay. Not that I would know anything about that, he said.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Elizabeth. Where you been?
We were waiting on them.
You mean they left you?
Well, we went back for them, but we didn't know they were waiting on us. Yeah.
Oh. I think it's a failure to communicate.